All right, guys, welcome back to part two. Those of you that are coming on, hopefully everything goes well. I had to stop and do some photos and some video because this looks good. It's turned out good. It's going to be a little bit juicier. Well, it's going to be a real juicy. But we were trying to do meatball sliders, but because I added a little bit too much egg, we had to go ahead and just put our little slider burgers on there, on the grill. So we started out trying to make a turkey burger. Had to thicken it up a little bit, so I had to add some of the beef that I have that we're also doing. It is a Taco Tuesday night, so we added some taco seasoning. And to that, we're also going to add on our slider, we're going to make some guacamole for our dessert. Remember, last week we did that grilled pineapple, so now I've got a larger slice instead of chunks of grilled pineapple that we're going to grill and put some more of that moonshine jelly on there. And then you see over there, I've got the makings of a blackberry lemonade. Now that is me coming home like you, getting on a commute, rush hour, cooking, trying to get some dinner going. Put some stuff on your grill. You have just joined me for our grilling season as we kick off season 2. We're going to be grilling in the kitchen until the temperatures drop and we can actually feel like we can turn on the oven. I'm going to let y'all enjoy some of that sizzle. Hang out with me and see how this turns out. I'm Yolanda, DryerBuzz. Oh, you're in the kitchen with DryerBuzz. Mm-hmm. Well, it must stay on the flyer, so I went in and just put it on the truck. Looks good. Oh, chocolate. I ain't never put it on there. It's inside. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, cool. I can't get this one turned over. My little skewer's not working for me. Oh, Lord, these jokers right here been... Okay. Got one skewer trying to go. There you go. There you go. I need pictures. So what? I need pictures. Are you saying you need my phone? Yeah, because it cut me off when I tried to use mine. Give me y'all some grill cam, y'all. This is Yolanda at DryerBuzz. Give me some grill cam. We are making beef turkey sliders. We had to add a little bit of beef to our turkey sliders simply because I made it a little too juicy. I'm going to try to do a portrait. I can get that. I'll kick you back. Let me do some video.
I'm gonna call you back, Kiki, okay?
Look at the mushroom.
Oh, dear.
All right, you need to toast us some bread, and so we can figure out what kind of sandwich you're gonna make. We got some salsa, my show coming on. I think this is gonna be delicious. How much mushroom get up on there? I need to put some more mushroom on the grill. I got some tomatoes pouring on there. Oh my God, this is gonna be good. All right, guys, so I will come back and finish up in stories because it looks like we're having some connection issues. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to take a little bit more of a minute to cook. As you can see, doing pretty good. Definitely good and juicy. Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that juice. Ooh. Ooh, look at the juice coming out of there. Oh, my God. That's going to be good. So we're going to let these bad boys finish cooking. I know y'all don't want to hang out that long. I know the sizzle sounds good and looks good. But in the stories, when we finish it up, we'll put it in the stories. I'm going to get ready to watch, get ready for my show. I'm going to clean up some of the stuff, get my lemonade going. And don't forget, I'll do some stories of the pineapple on there and everything. All right? Sorry about the technical issues, but we'll be back next week and keep it going. Keep the indoor grilling going. All right, let me bring y'all a little bit so I can say goodbye to you at least, huh? All righty, have a good night. Bye.